Hi guys, there's one oil that you must avoid, and I'm going to tell you why. It's called mineral oil. It's a petroleum derivative. It's used in a lot of cosmetics. It's used as laxatives, and they have over 70 hidden names for mineral oil. Now, the reason why it's not good is because it depletes your fat-soluble vitamins. So if you're taking it internally, think about what it's doing to your liver. It's pulling out vitamin A, vitamin D, E, and K, or even on the surface of your skin, it's leaching out these fat-soluble vitamins, creating all sorts of imbalances with the skin. You need these fat-soluble vitamins, not just on your skin, but internally as well. A vitamin A deficiency will not only cause acne. I mean, think about Accutane. That's a form of vitamin A that's supposed to get rid of acne, right? Of course, it has a lot of side effects, but vitamin A improves skin function. This is also important for the internal skin, the lining of the esophagus and the stomach and the intestines. You need vitamin A for that. For the immune system, for the sinuses, for the vision. Vitamin D for the bone and calcium transportation. Vitamin K1 for clotting. K2 for transportation of calcium. Vitamin E for sex hormones and heart health and so many other things, okay? So I would avoid this if I were you. And I put a link down below so you can get some more data on these hidden names. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, tell me what you think about this video. Go ahead and comment below and give me your feedback.